welcome to Online Rock Lessons. My name is Marine and today I'm going to teach you the 4 chords you need to learn to be able to play hundreds of songs. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and never miss any new videos. Alright, so for today we're going to be in the key of C major. This means the C major scale, we have no sharps or no flats. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some numbers to the notes. So basically it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now starting on each note, we're going to create a chord. All you need is 2 extra notes here and just keep the note in the middle. Keep the note from the scale. Obviously we're in the key of C major, no sharps, nothing, so just a white note here. So we have, this one is the C major chord. And then if I move here, I do exactly the same thing. I get to have the D minor chord here. And then the 3rd degree would be the E minor chord. The 4th is the F major chord, G major, A minor, B minor flat 5, and we go back to 1. So now we're only going to use 4 of these chords, and the formula is going to be the 1st chord, the 5th chord, the 6th minor chord, and the 4th chord here. So these are the 4 chords we need. So we have C major, C, E, and G, G major, G, B, and D, A minor, A, C, and A, and F major, F, A, and C. Now, a very good way to practice these chords would be to use the chord inversion. So for example, if I start on C major, I can change the order of the notes, but it stays the same chord. But you need to know all the chord inversions. So this is the first inversion, you have the second inversion, and back to the root position here. So we're going to use the inversion when we play one to another chord. So make sure you know that. And then if I have the G major chord, we could do the same thing. First inversion, second inversion, and root position. And we could go back to A minor, which is the same thing. Same chord, just different order. In F major. There you go. So this is the best exercise you can do to practice it, because when we're ready and we know the chords, what we can do is we can play the chord on the right hand. We can play a bass note on the left hand, very simple. And we can add some rhythm and change between them. So we have like the C major, and we can go to the 5, which is G major. Now the A minor, and the F major. And now you start thinking that you know so many songs that use these 4 chords. And yes, there is hundreds and hundreds of songs that uses this chord progression. Let me play you a few that use these chords. So there you go. Have fun with this chord progression, because if you know this, you can know so many songs. So you need to be able to learn these chords. And of course, not every song has the same key. So you need to make sure that you're able to play these chord progression in any key. In G major, F major, C sharp major even. So practice it and practice the chord progression. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you visit our website at onlinerocklessons.com to see all the courses and the memberships. So have fun and have a good practice.